Welcome to our channel. Today we how to contact Uber Eats support, direct link step by step clearly. To contact Uber Eats support, start by opening the Uber Eats app on your device. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to sign in. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the profile icon to access your account settings. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Help or Support. Select the Help or Support option to see a list of common issues. If your issue is not listed, look for a button or link that says Order Issues or Get Help. Choose the relevant option that matches your concern, such as missing items, refunds, or delivery issues. Be sure to include any relevant order numbers or details to assist the support team. After submitting your issue, you may receive an automated response via email. If you need immediate assistance, consider using the chat feature if available. For further support, you can access the Uber Eats website directly in your web browser. Navigate to the bottom of the home page and click on Help or Support. From here, you can search for specific topics or reach out via their contact forms. You may also check the FAQ section for quick solutions to common problems. If you prefer social media, consider reaching out to Uber Eats on platforms like Twitter or Facebook. Make sure to provide clear details about your issue for a faster response. Keep an eye on your email or the app for updates from the support team. And that's how you can effectively contact Uber Eats support for assistance with your order. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.